Hello, and welcome to another power-packed Phillips podcast. Yeah, buddy. Today's podcast is going to be on lesson 9.3. We are going to talk about the products. Nice vocabulary word. Of polynomials, which simply means, in English, the answers to multiplication problems when you are multiplying several terms. So it asks us to find the product. We know a product is an answer to a multiplication problem. So that means we're going to take this expression here, because it doesn't have an equal sign, and it has an exponent of 2, which is called squared in math. We're going to take this expression that has an exponent of 2, and that tells us that we are going to write the quantity, parentheses, 3x plus 4, 2 times. So you're going to take this expression, and since it's an exponent of 2, you're going to write it 2 times. So we really have 3x plus 4, parentheses, times, parentheses, 3x plus 4. Take the expression. If it's to the second power, write the expression 2 times. So it's almost like you are cloning the expression. And maybe you'll see the most awesome algebra teacher in the world at the new Star Wars movie in December. Star Wars Episode 7, The Force Awakens. And if you're a hater of Star Wars, you can just think of taking this expression and hitting the copy and paste button. Now, that's right, folks, we're going to do the box method. So 3x plus 4 parentheses squared really means you're going to write the expression 2 times. So we're going to take the term. Good, nice vocabulary word, Mr. Phillips. 3x and multiply it by 3x. We're going to remember that when we are multiplying exponents, we're really adding them. When we multiply exponents, we're really adding them. So 3 times 3 gives us 9. 1 plus 1 gives us 2, so we have the term 9x squared. 9x squared. Now we are going to multiply the term 3x by positive 4. 3 times 4 gives us 12, and the variable x tags along for the ride. Now we have positive 4 times 3x, and that's going to give us, again, 12x. And last but not least, we will multiply our constants together, which happen to be whole numbers, integers, real numbers. Man, it's too bad I can't get shots for all this awesome vocab. 4 times 4 gives us 16, which is a composite number. And 16 is also a perfect square, because we can make 16 by multiplying the same number 4 times 4. Last thing that we're going to do is, now that we have completed the box, we are going to list the terms inside the box and then combine like terms. Nice vocab. So when we combine like terms, we add the 12x and the 12x together, which gives us 24x. And we have 9x squared. And we have the constant 16. Keeping in mind, peeps, we cannot combine the 9x squared and the 24x because they have different exponents. We could multiply them or divide them, but we cannot add them or subtract them. And last but not least, because we have 1, 2, 3 terms. We call this a trinomial. Thanks for watching. Later, alligator. In a while, crocodile.